So what's interesting is that we've had a tremendous amount of growth in the digital media, digital marketing channel. In addition, we've seen a change from media intermediation being more of an art to more of a science. So you hear about the word programmatic that gets used time and time again. That's really just bringing software applications and to find audiences, big data around audiences to target and optimize media buying and do that in a more efficient way. Well, obviously that has implications not only in these digital channels, but in the offline channels as well. So we're seeing that impact on television. The broad sense is that all of this sort of scientification of media is also attracting the interest of large software companies like the Adobe, Salesforce, Oracle, and IBMs of the world, who now see advertising in the digital realm as being a scaled marketplace that has a software application, which is why you're seeing a lot of activity in terms of those companies make acquisitions in the space, like Oracle BlueKai, like Responses, like ExactTarget. We're seeing a tremendous amount of activity. When people ask me about a bubble, I say, it's vibrant and prices are full-ish. But bubble is something where I think there's not a there, where there's no underlying core business. And here I think we've got companies that are scaling rapidly and that there's still a tremendous upside to all this whole marketing technology world. Well, it's interesting, consolidation has been light for the last 5-6 years in this sector, which has caused the fragmentation and all those companies that you see on the Lumascapes. We counted, and there are now the top 20 private companies average over 300 million of media spend on the platforms, and they're growing at a median growth rate of 60%. That's a tremendous set of statistics about a scaled private industry, because we've seen tremendous growth, relative lack of consolidation, and yet, until recently, the public markets have not been available. That has a different story now. I think rocket fuel changed people's perception of what companies can do in this sector. It traded to $1 billion and coming out, and then up to $2 billion on the first day, and it's still trading healthy along with Criteo. And then you've seen Facebook and Twitter, companies not normally associated with, say, the B2B side of advertising technology because they have large consumer networks, but at the same time, the huge market cap increases that those companies have benefited from are as a result of advertising technology. So the public markets are now appreciating these companies, and we're seeing a long list of companies in the pipeline looking to go public.
We've gone to all these different places and been able to embrace the culture there. We learn what other agencies are like and how we can take all these best practices back to your own agency and really learn. And the best part, we always talk about, it's not about talking, it's about doing.